What's up, YouTube family? Welcome to new video. As you guys can see, we have a guest here, my inspiration, El Chop.
Hello!
Elliot Gaming 6124. Okay, Elliot Gaming 6124. Are you clear of what we are going to do today?
Yes. Let's get that. No, let's get diamonds get shot.
Yes, okay, so we start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go.
Oh, fucking kill me, you immigrant.
Hey, no racism. I am Yebak Gaming 4137. I think.
I'm sorry, man.
It's okay, bro. Try to keep it to no cussing. Fuck. Oops.
Yes, bro.
Guys, my PC crashed down, by the way. So I don't know. Like, I think the PC sound in the background are away, but I don't know if microphone better. I don't know if if Elliot Gaming 6124 microphone is better, but let's just see here, because everything is made with love.
Yes, bro.
Okay, guys, we can't have Elliot Gaming 6124 BS.
I am the best Minecraft.
He cannot hear me right now, guys. He's talking to himself.
I'm emotional.
Why is this dark end? Oh no, not the dark, I'm afraid.
I might actually have to find some food. I'll starve soon.
I'm gonna kill you. No, wait, then you get food. No.
Please kill me.
But I forgot to download the X-ray texture pack. Don't remind him, okay, guys? Wait, guys, this could be the way I win. He didn't see the cave. He's stupid. Okay, guys, we have some coal. Come on.
Oh, thank you not so very much. Hello, man.
He didn't see us, guys. I thought he was gonna kill me. We killed Elliot Gaming 6147.
You're freaking cheating!
I'm not cheating. You came on me.
You immigrant!
Shut up, man. Stop calling me that. It hurt my followers' feeling, guys. Is that right, followers? Cancel Elliot Gaming 6124.
I am not cancelable. I am Cannibal Corpse.
What? I believe it.
Yes, bro.
Come on. Why is my torch not giving off any light? That wasn't very torchy of you. Guys, I'm sorry for my horrible jokes. Scheiße.
Fuck you.
Scheiße, was? Ohne Pixel. Oh, we found iron, guys. We might actually have a chance.
Yeah, honey, bitch.
Scheiße, guys. Okay, guys, he did not drop any food, but that's okay. Oh, yo, I'm almost dying. I'm almost dead, guys. This is not good. We need to get this fast. So, I don't want to get shot again.
What the frick? There is fly around me.
There is fly? I did
Yes,
new update or?
I think I have to go to the shower.
Why do you have to go to the shower? I know, I never shower, bro.
I think I smell like shit. Leave that out. I cannot have anyone realizing I break character.
You're fucking You're fucking dumb. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, my mom came in and she gave me some tortilla chips.
Guys, I found iron.
You found the iron? I already have iron pick.
Fuck you.
I am going to die from fall damage here soon. Oh, I see water. No! Scheiße, guys, what?
How can you be so habil?
Scheiße, guys. Oh no, this is not good. We need to get back to the death. Good thing it marks on my map because I have autism and I do not remember where anything is. Scheiße, where is the cave? Oh, I found the cave, guys.
Yes!
No.
Yes!
No.
Scheiße!
Scheiße.
Ich bin Reinhorn!
What?
Yes. Ich bin Rainwater.
Rainwater?
Yes! Come on, I have iron pickaxe.
I do not know where the freak I am. Shit.
Du spiller iron pick.
Scheiße, guys, no, stop us. Stop, I am the best player of all time.
You are booty.
Halt die Fresse.
You are booty pants. Liar, place on fire.
Don't stop, I will get copyrighted.
I'm sorry, man.
It's okay, bro.
Drake, not copyright.
Drake, very copyright, brother. Oh, I'm finding my Scheiße again. Let's go. Let's go, my Scheißers. Come on, meine Scheißes. Scheiße, my guys. Okay, I'm gonna try to make the jump again.
I hope you die.
Guys, we made the jump. We have the iron pickaxes again. Scheiße. I found diamond! Ah, you suck! I have diamond!
I swear!
I think he died. End video, guys, end video!